What's up, guys? I'm gonna make a walk around video of my Regal since I top swapped it. You know, I'll give you guys a little visual on the outside first. Nothing really much has changed since I did the last one, but she's nice and clean right now, so I figured I'd just give you a little view of her. Nice and waxy. One thing I don't think I mentioned in my last video that I got, I don't think I had them on there, is I got Buick Regal. They're not the Impala, they're the actual Buick Regal LSP LSX center caps. I kind of had to custom cut the original pieces to get that chrome piece out and place this piece in it. But I think it turned out really nice. Matches my, you know, tinted window theme going on. I am missing one though. My back passenger wheel. I was going down the freeway. One of them popped out. So I gotta buy a whole new kit. All new for just to get that one, just to replace that. I'm gonna pop the hood, show you guys the swap. Actually, first, one thing I did change on the inside is I got a scan gauge too. I'll turn it on real quick. I got it reading, you know, obviously, knock retard. System voltage. Over here, I got the transmission fluid temperature. And then the bottom left, I got the engine coolant temperature. I like it. It reads pretty quick. I can easily remove it. It's just Velcro. And then I can just toss it in my glove box so nobody knows I have it. I like it. It does a good job. Lights up really bright at night and has a ton of other features. You know, I like it just as much as possibly the Aeroforce is, you know, it's just personal preference. But I like it, but let's get under the hood. Good old gold blower. Painted the blower gold, as well as the lower intake manifold, which you can't really see because it's buried. Speed Daddy headers. I wrapped a good part of the crossover with some header wrap, you know, because I had some laying around and I said screw it, go for it. And I recently actually just redid my intake. I was having problems with my, you know, the way I first did it with the intake tubing. I just had this tubing attached to the throttle body by itself with a hose clamp, and I kept having problems with it popping off, and my map sensor has gone bad, and I believe that's what did it. You know, sucking in dirty air or something. But I've since gone from a 3x4 inch rubber Fernco coupler, and you know, it's still just a fender well intake, but it definitely is not going anywhere, and it's staying on there much better. And I actually think it sounds a little better. The characteristics in here, you know, they flow a little better. There's not so abrupt on this throttle body lip. But yeah, I like it. Had the heads rebuilt for when I did the swap. New seals, new valves. I had it decked, cleaned. I had a valve job done, like a 5-angle valve job. I got a really good deal on it. Ported the blower, inlet and outlet. I'm running the stock 3.8 pulley. This thing pulls really good. But other than that, everything has pretty much stayed the same. The transmission is still stock. It didn't act up at all after the swap. It's handling it just fine. No slip. You know, I got the Dex 5 in it, and I like it. You know, it doesn't match my car as far as the gold color goes exactly, but who else has a gold blower? I think it's close enough. One thing I am going to do soon, though, it's kind of driving me nuts, is I'm going to cover up all these red wires with black wire loom. It's driving me nuts. I don't like it. It doesn't fit. And I want to get a cover for my Optima. I want to get a black cover for that. It's also too bright and doesn't fit. Doesn't fit down underneath the engine bay. But yeah, that's it. Figured I'd just give you guys a quick view of the engine since I top swapped it, since I haven't made a video yet. Well, there you go.